Hey guys, I'm super happy right now. My kitchen is finally complete. Yeah, I was just having dinner and was sitting here making myself some cold wraps. And then my landlord came home and brought me knocked on my window. And I was just asking for a this
vacuum
because
cleaner.
The workers made some dirt which I wanted to clean up and I didn't have anything yet. And then he asked me if I had pans and everything, and I said, yeah, in 2 days my aunt will bring me some. And he said, no, I'll give you, and here, take it. And then he came back and brought me some fresh tomatoes from his own garden and potatoes and self-made pesto. For the fridge, and I'm just so happy right now. I was happy that finally things come together, and I was really happy to be here. And today I was at the beach and life seems careless right now, and then there are so many nice people around me. His landlord and my landlord and his family, and I'm just really happy right now and wanted to share it. Good morning guys, today is my day off, it's Tuesday, so I decided to take you a little bit around with me. I have some things to do. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the day, and I hope I will enjoy the day, and let's get started. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but I finally did it. I arrived in Amalfi. It's super hot. It was terrible to park my moped. I don't know how it's called. I have some things here to do, and let's see if you can see something. Okay guys, I have done what I had to do. Some of the paperwork that I can finally be here legally. No, I'm joking. And right now I'm sitting here next to the Porto and having a late breakfast of mixed fruits and lemon sorbet, and enjoying a little bit the sun. Although the sun is a little bit too hot. Okay, I completely destroyed this one, but it was way too good. Yeah, I don't really have a plan what I do. I don't plan my days. Makes them more interesting. Not really. So, some of you might think, why don't I go to the beach? But I don't really... I really want to waste my day lying on the beach. Would be now the explanation why I said that. I can go every day to the beach. When I work, after work, I most often go to the beach, and for 1 or 2 or 3 hours. So I don't see the point why I should waste the day without work by just lying around when I have something to do. People are looking strange. After eating and cleaning up, I decided to start a little workout here. And then I have to shower and go to eat again to a friend's house. So, see ya! So guys, this evening went a little bit different than expected. I talk later. Now I'm gonna eat this one. And yeah, see you! I'm now ready for bed. Yeah, I arrived at the house of my dad's friend. And he is a barber, and decided that I had to cut my hair, that I needed a haircut. So he gave me a fresh haircut, and then we did go eat something. Bam! And yes, and then he helped me with my motorcycle, and gave me another helmet because my helmet was too small for my head and I really got bad head itches from it. So yeah, that was my evening, and now I'm going to bed. Love you all and goodbye.